Good evening, good evening. I hope everyone is doing great. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. I hope you did watch our weekly analysis as I did that actually yesterday. So I was quite busy before I even try. That's why you did not really see any video early in the mornings. But yeah, we are here. So now you can see that we are on the economic calendar. Even forgot to open my pencil. Let me open that as quick as possible. So when we check on the calendar today, obviously we did not really have anything you can see. But tomorrow we have PPI, and that is going to move the market with the analysis that we have and the estimation from analysts here. We can see that these numbers are looking like to be going down. We know that we had employment change, or let's say NFP going down. Almost all major economic news, they were just going down. And I'm still expecting this to go even lower, PPI to go lower, and that will mean that we might continue buying gold, we might continue buying Nasdaq or US30. And where we are at the moment with Nasdaq, US30, I think we are still on the right side of the market. We are still at the lowest side. We can see not really far from our stronger support. So I'm still expecting to see a reversal from there. Guess what? On Wednesday, we have CPI. So this one seems to be mixed up. So the best thing that we can do here, we don't really have to go or jump before the news. We can just wait for the news to be released, and that clears this thing of trying to guess. And once they release that, we will see if maybe the news are positive or negative. At the moment, this might be tricky. Why? Because we don't really want US economy to crash. So which means bad news here might not really result in bullish move, unless if maybe you are trading gold. But if maybe you're trading Nasdaq and stuff, if all this are going negative, we might see them selling because there is fear of recession. You see, so this economic news or events, sometimes they change according to the situation that we are in at the moment. Things are not looking good. So any positive thing, that will be good. That's why on Wednesday, I feel like, yes, we need to see a moderate number, not really that negative, and that will also push Nasdaq to go to the upside. Maybe it might be a different story when we talk about Forex, you see, and we will be focusing on that. So on the other side, or on Thursday, we have retail sales. We will also see, we're not going to try to guess anything there. So which means at the news, at the moment, with the news, we are fine. So guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. We still have that special, guys, for everyone. You can see that on the screen. 1 month, $18. You can just test our special. Then you can see the other ones, especially lifetime, it's $80 coming from $450. So yeah, let's go. Let's do our quick analysis. I think today we did have Euro JPY as a signal. It is actually, it was in a smaller profit. We also had GBP JPY still in that profit. Had JPY since last week. I think we had a pending order. Today I saw that it triggered the order there. So the other ones is what? Oh, it's Nasdaq, US30s, which we are going to go on those analysis like in few minutes. So let's see. Now let's go on this dollar index analysis. Let's just go maybe on a daily time frame, because these structures are quite big, guys. So I think I want it to fit nicely on the screen. So we can see that the market is not really trying to recover there and try to go higher. I think it's obvious on our side that where the market is, it's actually trying to do what? So just retest here so that the market can continue slower. Once the market continues slower, that is not really a problem. It's fine, because the market is not just melting and there won't be any panic on the market. Remember, we still expect to see some rates cuts. So what I see here, to me, I think it's fine. Maybe we can go back on that 4 hours time frame. If you want full analysis, like I went through all this yesterday. So you can see that we have this nice resistance. So obviously, I'm expecting to see the market respecting this level and trying to do what? To continue going down. And that will mean that USD will be losing some momentum. As we have PPI tomorrow, retail sales the other day, and the other ones, or CPI, all them, I think we will see some nice movements around. I don't really see DXY recovering that aggressive, but I think the market will end up going even lower. That's what I see at the moment. So let's push to the next one. Now we know, we have a good idea of what's really happening. We know that the dollar is losing some momentum. That's why we see GBP at the moment doing what? Trying to go higher. We did have this, guys, if you don't really want to miss this type of signals, we have them in our group. You can try to test them. We have some very nice prizes that you can try, or nice offers. So now what do we have here? GBP USD, we can see that no, man, this thing is on a very nice bullish move. Just look at that. So obviously my people are eating in the group, and that's how we do it. So the market respected this area of a support like before. You can see the market has been respecting that. So this overall move, I think, is quite straightforward. We have a proper uptrend structure, but we did not really just jump there, because you can easily see that if we draw something like that, it's a nice resistance that the market was creating. It was going down nicely, and for us to jump in, obviously we needed to actually wait up to this point. But just because last week we were here, I actually used this sort of a resistant area, and the market broke out of that, so now we got in. But if maybe you were about to enter today, I was going to recommend waiting for this breakout here, because you will be a little bit late. After the breakout, you can jump in, then I hope the market will be going up. So whoever who took this, they are currently eating. Simple as that. If you are not part of this team or this YouTube channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like share with your friends. So on gold, guys, I'm still bullish, as I've been explaining. I'm still like seriously bullish on gold. But since we have some economic news from tomorrow, we will see some crazy moves. I expect the market to break this resistant area there. I think the market will end up breaking out and going even higher. But what I see here is we have a potential reversal. The market might still reverse and test this area. Yes, we know that we are, or the overall structure. Let me show you this on a daily time frame. The overall structure here is still that bullish move. Do you see that? This is our overall structure. You see that the market is actually going higher, even though we see that the market can still go up. There is enough chance that the market can respect that level and still go higher. But I think we will see a nice reversal. If we don't really see that reversal, I'm expecting to see a breakout. And what I know is, I think I did give my people some very nice signals around this level about buy. Or maybe I'll just show you those. Let me just do this so that I can show you those specials. Sorry, not those signals. Let's see. I think we had gold. If we did not really have that gold, it's also fine. Let's see. Okay, we also had Usoil. You can see this is the one that I've sent today. I don't know if that is triggered, but I don't think so. So let's see if maybe we had any gold. So GBP, Euro, GBP, JPY, Euro USD. We also had that. The market already triggered that. So let's see if we did have any gold. CAD JPY, I think it was profit. So damn, we don't really have gold. I think the one that we did have that gold, but it was, I think, maybe last week Thursday. Yeah, we did have that gold there. So it was a proper buy. I hope maybe you can see that. So I'm not actually lying. So, but I was expecting it maybe to reach this level. We did not really want to go towards that resistance. So yeah, we did have that. We did have that. So that's what I was expecting. So we were not going to reach this level, but where we are, it's where we were going to get out. So which means maybe the market will end up touching that level. It's fine, but we will have to wait and see if maybe the market is about to respect that, or maybe break out. If it breaks out, we will continue with that buy. If it doesn't really continue, it means maybe the market will end up going even lower before going up again. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. I saw it was trying to reverse, especially when the market was opening. but I think we have to expect this type of a move. Already we are on this nice uptrend structure, and after this uptrend structure, we can see we had this aggressive reversal, quite similar to this. And if you can check nicely, we had this aggressive move, you know? Just look at this type of a move there. The market tried to go up. We can just call that consolidating. So even here, I'm expecting the same thing. I think if I go back there, there is also a quite similar structure. The market reverses, melts down, or maybe aggressive sell, then the market consolidate before going up. Another meltdown, consolidation, and here it's where we are. So what do we expect? We expect those consolidations before we see the market trying to go higher. If we can count this, it might be a week or two, a week or 2 weeks, a week or 2 weeks. Why? Because this is 4 hours time frame, and we have to expect that. We know that the market will end up going up. So, but it means that the market can still go even lower like that. It's possible, you see. So it's possible that the market can still go even lower before we see a very nice push. I think I did explain this several times, that there is a chance that the market can still play around before we see a nice push to the upside. So just because we saw the market melting, it doesn't necessarily mean that the market will just recover instantly. So quite similar to here on Nasdaq, we can easily see that, the market reached this level of a nice support. You can see there, it's a very strong one. Then the market did touch this level. Nasdaq is a different beast. So here you can see that the market was aggressively recovering, but this was not really aggressive sell. So even here, we expect the market to go even higher. I think it will be the first before maybe US30 try to catch up. That is possible. Maybe on top, you can be afraid and say, Kenzo, I think maybe there is a chance for a nice resistant area there. Yeah, we can consider that also. But I think, yeah, we can consider that. You can consider that, but I think to get in there, it will be late. I'm expecting a nice recovery. I think the market will just break out of that. So I don't think I need to consider that actually. Let me just take that out so that we can be on a trade. So we did have some trades last week. US30, S&P 500, and also a Nasdaq. So we're expecting to see a continuation of that buy. And the market did not really move. You can see that the market was just playing around, but I'm still expecting to see the market going higher. Maybe tomorrow, PPI, if it becomes weak, we might maybe see the market going even higher. But we don't really need something that is weaker, because that can actually show some signs of a recession, or we can just slow down of the economy, and we don't really need that. We don't really need that. So at the moment, we can see that at the end of the day, we might end up eating here. The market might end up going even higher, and that's what we want. That's what we want. So on S&P 500, we also had a very nice trade last week. So it seems like the market will be continuing like that. You can see that we have this nice bullish move. So I'm expecting to see the market continuing like that. But the market was still actually consolidating around these levels. So here you can see that we had a nice resistance where the market was respecting. You can see the market respected that several times. But the market now seems to be breaking out. Once it goes up, we'll expect the market to reach this 5,600 there. So somewhere like that, I think the market might end up reaching that level. Something like that, you see. Something like that, 1:1, 1:2, 1:2, yeah. This ratio should be 1:2, yeah, something like that. So yeah, something like, I'm expecting it to reach that level, but I think our entry was a little bit below there, but it's fine. I think this can also be a very nice trade that we can try to take. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now we are on US oil. I just showed you a signal that we had. A signal that we had on US oil. Let's see that. Let's see that. This is US oil around 2 there, 2:3. Now look, before it can even trigger that. So I said the market might go up, and lucky enough, it seems like the market already triggered our order, and it's now going even higher. Simple as that. So for those who wants to learn from me, guys, just let me know if you want to be part of our mentorship. Let me know. And it seems like it's flying. Seems like it's flying. I don't think maybe there is much that I can explain here. The market was on a downtrend structure. Now we broke out. So actually I was supposed to be entering around this level, but I was late. And because we also check other things. So I'm expecting a continuation of a buy since OPEC, not plus, it's OPEC. I think they did meet on Thursday, and I think they did talk about cutting production of oil. So that might lead to higher prices of oil, right? So that's why we see it trying to break everything here. I think I did talk about this area on, I think it was Friday or Thursday. I no longer remember, about OPEC. So yeah, now we can confirm and say, you know what? It seems like they will be trying to cut that production, and that will make oil to be quite expensive. Not really aggressive, but I think at the end of the day, we're going to have an uptrend. That's simple. So yeah, I think for today, guys, this is enough. I did not really want to make this very long. So if you want to be part of the team, if you want to eat with us, just let me know. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.